friends, I'm Kaustubh and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to tell you about the continent of South America. The video is divided into two parts. This is part 2. I have already uploaded part 1. You can go to the description box. There I have given the link of part 1. So let's begin with part 2. Amazing facts about South America. South America is a long triangular-shaped continent located in the western hemisphere and mainly in the southern hemisphere. Because South America is shaped like a triangle, it has the least coastline than any continent, despite its large land area. South America is bounded by Caribbean Sea to the northwest and north, the Atlantic Ocean to the northeast, east and southeast, and Pacific Ocean to the west. South America is the fourth largest continent in size and fifth largest continent of the world in population. South America covers about 12% of Earth's land mass and is also home to around 6% population of the world. The continent is connected to the North America through the Isthmus of Panama. The island of Tierra del Fuego, Spanish meaning the land of fire, lies in the extreme south of this continent, and the southernmost tip of this island is called the Cape Horn. Andes mountain range, the world's longest mountain range, is located in this continent. It spans some 8,900 kilometers from north to south of this continent. Andes mountain range is the second highest mountain range of the world after Himalayas, which is situated in Asia. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in Andes mountain range with a height of 6,962 meters. Mount Cotopaxi, the highest active volcano of the world, lies in this continent. Bolivia's capital La Paz is one of the highest cities in the world and highest capital in the world. It has an elevation of 3,640 meters above the sea level. It is common for visitors to suffer from altitude sickness. Sucre is the second highest altitude capital in the world. Sucre has an elevation of 9,022 feet above the sea level. Sucre is considered the constitutional capital of Bolivia, but La Paz is the seat of its government. Brazil is the largest country in South America, encompassing around half of the continent's land area and population. Suriname is the smallest country in South America. It is about 50 times smaller than Brazil, at only 540,000 people. It also has the smallest population on the continent. The country is one of the 10 most sparsely populated countries in the world. Suriname is also most heavily forested country on the continent. According to the UN, approximately 94.6% of country's total land mass is covered by forest. Sao Paulo in Brazil is the largest city of this continent. It is also one of the 10 biggest cities in the world. The Amazon River is the most voluminous and the second longest river of the world, lies in this continent. It originates in the Andes and after passing through Brazil drains into Atlantic Ocean. It extends some 4 million square kilometers and covers 40% of South American territory. It contains 1/5 of world's fresh water. The Amazon River has 15,000 tributaries, 4 of which are over 1,600 kilometers long. Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest of the world. It covers more than 30% of South America and 60% of it is mainly enclosed within Brazil. The Amazon rainforest accounts for more than 50% of planet's remaining rainforest. It is one of the most biodiverse regions of tropical rainforest in the world. South America has 3 major biomes including grassland, savanna and rainforest. It is believed that there are still native tribes living so deep in the Amazon rainforest that they have not been yet contacted by modern man. About 22% of the continent is forest and they are full of life. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest, but there are other rainforests and cloud forests as well. They are very important for oxygen production for humans worldwide, and is estimated that 20% of all the planet's oxygen is created in these forests. It is estimated that around 40% of the world's plant and animal species are found in South America. This is despite it covering less than 12% of Earth's total land surface. The Amazon rainforest is one of the world's most important natural resources and provides around 6% of world's oxygen. South America is home to the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls, in Venezuela. It is 979 meters high. It is situated in Canaima National Park, Venezuela. Angel Falls were named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who became the first person to fly over them. It is also home to the highest single drop waterfall, Cayetur Falls in Guyana. Lake Titicaca is world's highest navigable lake, lies in this continent. It is situated on Bolivian plateau on the border of Bolivia and Peru. The Galapagos island of Ecuador is natural fertility center of olive ridley turtle. In the Pampas region of South America, highly nutritious alfalfa grass is grown. Chile is the largest producer of nitrate in the world. Chuquicamata Plateau of Chile is famous for production of copper. It is known as the copper capital of the world. There are 4 different time zones. UTC 5, UTC 4, UTC 3 and UTC 2 are in this continent. Paraguay and Bolivia are 2 landlocked countries of South America. Puerto Toro, Chile excluding research stations in Antarctica, is southernmost inhabited place in the world. Ushuaia, Argentina is the southernmost city in the world. It is located on the Argentinian part of the Tierra del Fuego and more than 50,000 people live there. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest video. This video will be continued in part 3. Thank you, bye and have a nice day.